warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dearest prefer students. Welcome back to the English lessons for Primary 4 Al-Irsyad Satya Islamic School. Hi, Prefer Harun, Prefer Musa, and Prefer Zakaria. This is almost a year, right? We study from home, but yeah, let's hope for the best for our health and for our learning. Okay, today we are going to learn the last material in the poetry chapter, and this is the grammar of the chapter, which is about same letters but different sounds. What's that? Same letters but different sounds? Okay, first thing first, you have to memorize the pattern or the formula. Same letters, different sounds. Okay, and after that we are going to review FOT 2. For your information, the FOT 2 will be coming soon next week in the week 9 already, guys, so get ready. Okay, so remember guys, today we have two objectives to learn. The first one is we are going to identify words with the same letters but different sounds or different pronunciation. Okay, and the second objective we have is to review different forms of poems and the previous material that we have also. Okay, same letters, different sound. What does it mean? Okay, and why do some words have this kind of formula? Same letters but different sound. Okay, in order to know that you notice that some words have same letters but different sound, you have to pronounce it, guys. So you have to pronounce the words. Okay, the key is to pronounce and to hear the words, the sound of the words. Okay, some words contain the same letters in the same order, but we pronounce the words differently. Okay, look at these words, which all contain the letter string ear. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Ear. Okay, our ear. Ear consists of E-A-R, and the pronunciation or the sound is ear. But some words have letter string ear here, but the sound is different. Okay, everybody now please repeat after me and please notice the difference. Learn, ear, heart, bear. Okay, what do you notice from the sounds? Are the sounds different? Learn, ear, heart, bear? Yes, the sounds are different. The pronunciations are different. But what about the letter strings? E-A-R, 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 and E-A-R. They have the same letter string ear, even though they are other letters, yeah, accompany them. Okay, so those words here have same letter string, which are ear, but pronounced differently or have different sounds or pronunciation. What are the other examples? Okay, everybody. Okay, please open your textbook page 141, and we are going to practice task A and B together. I don't ask you to do it by yourself, but we are going to study them together. Okay, take a look at task A, everyone, and we are going to sort these words into 4 groups that have the same sound. Okay, so we don't find the difference, but we find the same sound into 4 groups. Okay, look at, there are 12 words here. Okay, but let's pronounce it one by one. Okay, everybody please repeat after me. Where, year, early, beard, fear, earn, kind-hearted, pair, bear, heartbeat, heard, hearth. Okay, hearth is the floor where there is a fireplace, okay, or a space in front of the fireplace. Okay, and which words that have the same sound? Okay, there will be 4 groups from these 12 words. Okay, and the answer will be in the next slide. Okay, and look at task B. In the task B, which word in the cloud that has the same sound as the word in the sun? Okay, so we have to find one similar pronunciation, one similar sound with the one in the sun. Okay, from the cloud. Okay, everybody please repeat after me. The word in the sun is tough. Tough. Now in the cloud, cough, true, rough. Okay, can you get the same word that has the same sound as in the sun? Okay, rice, polish, nice, practice. Okay, everybody is repeating after me. Okay, repeat after me again. Shout, journey, without, for. Okay, can you notice the same sound? Alright, here is the answer, guys. So from task A, we have 4 groups that have the same sound. Okay, the first group, where, bear, pair. They have the same sound, right? Okay, group 2. Okay, I want everybody to repeat after me again so everybody notice. Year, fear, beard. Group 3, early, earn, heard. Okay, and the last group, kind-hearted, heartbeat, and hearth. Okay, you notice the similar sounds? Good job. Now, for task B, we have to find one word in the cloud that has the same sound as the words in the sun. Okay, we have to find the similar sound with tough, and the word is rough. Tough, rough, not cough or true. Okay, number 2, rice, nice. Everybody repeats. Not polish or practice. Okay, and the last one, shout, without. Not journey or for. Okay, well done. Okay, now finally we are going to review FOT 2 in haiku, tanka, in shinquain. Okay, these different forms of poetry have each own a syllable pattern. Okay, do you still remember syllable? Syllable is a bit or the, okay, you have to count the syllable or the bit of the words. Okay, for the shinquain, okay, you have to memorize this. This is a poem of 5 lines with the syllable pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. Okay, goes by 2 until 8 and then go back to 2. 5. Haiku is a poem of 3 lines with the syllable pattern 5, 7, 5. And tanka is a poem of 5 lines with the syllable pattern 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 7. And these 3 poetry doesn't have to be rhymed, okay, or don't have any rhymes. Okay, let's count here the lines and the syllable pattern of each of the poem below. The first one, tanka. Okay. Wind rustles Wind rustles gently. 5. In almost bare trees waiting. 7. Okay, everybody, practice with me. Show your hands. The sky threatens rain. Okay. Then a quick burst of sunlight. 7. And a rising skylark sings. 7. Okay, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Now the haiku. Okay, remember 5 lines, yeah? Now haiku. The long school day ends. Children scatter like litter. Happy to be free. 5, 7, 5. Alright, the last type of poetry, Shin Queen. Cold rain falling fiercely. We are like stranded fish. 6. Splashing through wet gray streets swimming. 8. For home. 2. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. Now we come up to parts of poetry. Okay, we have lines, stanza, rhymes, rhythm, and repetition. Lines are a group. A line is a group of words that goes from the left to the right. Stanza is a group of lines separated by space. Rhymes are the same ending sound in the end of the lines. Usually in a stanza, there are some rhymes. For example, 2 rhymes in the ending sound. Okay, the words have the same ending sound. Rhythm, the beat and the pace of the poem or the syllable. And repetition, when words, phrases, or lines are repeated. What are the examples of them? Okay, see, my family are such an important part of me. That is a line. Okay, goes from the left to the right in one line. That's very easy, right? While stanza, look, there are 4 lines here. My grandmother, her smell is of old fragrant flowers. Her eyes are as sharp as stones. She tells me, work hard to succeed. That's one stanza. Okay, let's count how many stanzas does this poetry have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stanzas. How about the rhymes? Let's find the same ending sound in one stanza. Look at my family tree. My family are such an important part of me. Ending tree and me have the same sound. Tree, me. And repetition. Look at the second stanza. My grandmother, her smell, her. Okay, there are 2 her repeated. Repetition. And my grandmother, my grandmother, my grandmother, my grandmother. There are 4 phrases my grandmother repeated here. Okay. Also look. Okay. Now we come up to figurative language. Yeah. The first one is simile, second metaphor, third alliteration, 4 personification. Okay. What is the purpose of using simile? To make our writings more interesting to read and to create dramatic effect. Okay. Simile and metaphors. Simile and metaphors compare 2 things, but the difference is simile use like or as, while metaphor do not use like or as. Look at the example of simile. I have been working like a dog. It means I have been working so hard. She is as kind as an angel. Don't forget the to be is, okay? and there are two S. What is it? Opening and closing the adjective kind here. Yeah. And it means she is very kind, like an angel. Okay, how about the metaphor? The highway was a parking lot. What does it mean? The highway was very full of cars because of traffic jam, perhaps. Yeah. My brother is a chicken, is it? Your brother or my brother really a chicken? Of course not. It means that my brother is very afraid to do something or to try something. Okay, now alliteration and personification. Alliteration is the use of a series of words or a sentence or phrase beginning with the same consonant or sounds. Okay, Adam eats an apple. A. Beth blew her blue balloon. B. Minute Maid or Coca-Cola. Alright? Now, personification is when animals or objects are described to seem like people. For example, lightning danced across the sky. Can lightning really dance? Of course not, but this is to create dramatic effect as if the lightning danced. The wind howled in the night. Yeah, it means the wind really noisy in the night, yeah, because it's so strong. And Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. Is the pie really calling Rita? Of course not, but this is meaning that Rita is really tempted to eat the last piece of pie. Okay, read again the example of personification. Alright guys, that's all the review video. It's a wrap, okay, from all the materials that we have learned from week 6 until now, week 8. Now I want you to go back to Google Classroom to do the Google review, the Google form. Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.